And transporting these bottles to stores requires millions of gallons of fuel that also causes harm to the environment. These bottles can then be found polluting water reservoirs and adding to the endless piles of plastic waste in our landfills. After all, it takes over 400 years for a single plastic bottle to decompose. Yes, you...
Yes, exactly. So instead of just styling the plastic bottle in a different way, we wanted to travel the green arena and restart the thinking of the total criteria of containing beverage from beginning to end.
And here the result is Repack. Repack, for the first time in Bangladesh, is commercializing and manufacturing paper bottle. It is 100% recyclable, made from food-safe, renewable and sustainable resources. And it requires 90 to 95% less polymer than plastic bottle. Basically, it's a paper packaging that stands up to most liquid categories like water, like soft drinks, and other types of beverages today.
Exactly. So, dear audience, perhaps you are thinking that we are cutting twists to make paper bottle. Of course not. So, you're wondering now, how do we make this amazing product?
Exactly. Repack is using the most renewable and sustainable resources as raw materials. The raw materials can be sourced from anything fibrous, like rice straw, bamboo leaf, or palm leaves. At first, these raw materials will be blended together to form a pulp, a mixture. And a paper sheet made from this pulp is the prime material for this green pack.
Exactly. So, the sheet is pressed into two halves to encapsulate a PLA film. This polylactic acid coating gives the bottle air and water barrier. And not only that, green pack is maintaining the standard level of thickness. This 0.5mm thickness gives the bottle structural integrity as well as the sustainability to be in the refrigerator. Yes. So, and firstly we make the two halves of the bottle, then we fuse it together to make the complete bottle. And innovative rethinking on the opening of the bottle lets you turn off and reseal the bottle.
Exactly. And these bottles can be bundled together in a group of 6 or more and can be carried as one unit by the finger loops. Thus, it will reduce the cost of additional packaging.
Right, so Repack offers different colors for different brands, and the graphical communication can be done by either embossing or by applying labels.
Not only that, all the natural and structural board reduces the material in case of shipping this bottle, which will make this bottle as handy, as smart and cost-effective too.
Right, so Repack will launch a product line that will closely follow the current market trend. At this moment, 1,500 unit cases of beverages are sold on an average every day. And 73% of these bottles are plastic bottles. So, directly and indirectly, the plastic bottle manufacturers are the prime competitors of Repack. Now the question arises that why will the beverage companies switch to Repack?
The beverage company will switch to Repack because it is first ever locally made eco-friendly paper bottle that will provide the competitive advantage to any beverage companies. And not only that, the sustainable design of Repack will reduce the cost of filling, labeling, and multi-packaging. And compounding all the fact is that Repack is providing 35 to 40% lower cost towards the beverage companies for these paper bottles in comparison with the plastic one.
Right, so Repack's marketing communication will be in two ways, directly and indirectly. It will push the beverage companies to